Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm a client of Grossman Law Firm. One unfortunate evening, I ended up being attacked by a dog, and that experience led me to find somebody that could hopefully hold some folks accountable for that moment. Unfortunately, I hate saying that it was a pit bull because it comes with a stigma that they're all vicious and mean dogs, and I actually own pits myself, but it was the owner's fault and the property's fault for not doing some things for the complaints and things that they had received. When it came to medical care, I was lucky enough to kind of be in and out from a stitches standpoint. I got stitches in both arms and actually stitches in my face because I was attacked by not just one but two dogs. So I met Scott because after sitting there on my couch contemplating what I'm going to do, I originally actually wasn't going to file a lawsuit. I finally got convinced by family and the fact that I found out the dog had attacked previously in the neighborhood and nothing had been done about it. And so I was like, I have to do something about it. Somebody's got to say something. And so I started looking up injury lawyers, and the Grossman Law Firm showed up, and I gave them a call. Within 12 hours, I think, next day, I was already on the phone and filling out intake forms and signing paperwork, as they were not only willing to listen to the story, but felt that they had an opportunity to hopefully help me hold somebody accountable. What I really love about Scott and Robert is they have a lot of relationships in the field here, and that was evident in mediation, as Robert knew the judge we were talking to that was mediating it and was able to guide me in making sure that I represented myself and that we represented myself well. I love the fact that they were communicative. They kept me apprised of situations and expectations, even if that expectation changed. And that's what I really loved through the process. They cared about me, and I enjoy open and honest communication, and they were open and honest about things like, hey, this is a roadblock right now that we're dealing with. Hey, this is what's going well. I think anytime that you have a clarity and a vision of what's happening and what you're involved with, that makes you feel good because you're part of something versus just kind of being in the dark. The communication, I think, was one of the biggest things, and the fact that they're down-to-earth people. They didn't treat me as a case number. I wasn't just a dog attack. I was a live human being to them, and I could hopefully one day call Robert and Scott friends down the road. I'm sure we could probably go have a few Pepsis or two.